Welcome friends. The next task is using GeoGebra how to get the equation of family of ellipse. What do you mean by family of ellipse? We are going to get a set of ellipse which follows a common condition, common property. We will take, as per the syllabus of class 11, we will take the set of ellipses whose center is at the origin. The equation is given by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. We are going to change that a and b. We are going to get a set of ellipses. We are going to check how the ellipse changes, how the major axis changes, how the minor axis changes based on the values of a and b. And we are also going to check what will happen to that foci. For that, let us start with a and b. This a and b here are going to change. Therefore, we are going to get the slider. Go through the slider. Let me click it. Let me go for this slider as an integer. Starts with 1. Let it goes to 10, up to 10. And let me call it as small a. Small a and increment as 1. I got one slider over here. When I move this, a will change from a to 1 to 10. Let us go to the next slider b. Once again integer. Small b from 1 to 10, increment as 1. Here I got the two sliders now. In the input box, let us type the equation of the common equation of the ellipse. It is x square by a square. For x, go to this alpha, click this square, x square, upon small a, then square plus y square, y, once again the same thing, the square upon b, once again here the square is equal to 1. We got the ellipse over here. Now here, okay, now here when you just change this, we are going to get the different ellipses over here. Is it okay? These are the ellipses which we are going to get. Before we go for the next, let us see what will be the vertex and center. Center is very simple. The center, we can directly go for this option. Labeling, let us have all the new points. Let us new point, let us label it. Okay. Now this origin point is here. Normally we will let us rename it as capital O because that is the center, because that is O. But it will not move. Always it will be 0, 0. Okay. Now let us see what are the vertices. For that we have to go for this point of intersection. Point of intersection of this ellipse and the x-axis, of this ellipse and the y-axis. Now you can very well see here 7, 0, minus 7, 0, 0, 2, 0, minus 2. When you are moving it, then the vertex also moves. Vertex is also moving. Is it okay? Vertex is also moving. If you want to show the vertex, then what you have to do is go for this left click, go to the object properties. There in that basic, you have to show its value. When you show the value 7, 0, you have to do it for all for this. Okay, object properties and show its value. Then again D object properties, show its value. C object properties, show its value. Now it is showing now. When you are moving this slider, you will get a different ellipse and it will show the vertex also. Now let us go for its focus. For that there is a command. Here we have seen EQ1. Here you are seeing here EQ1 is this conic. For FOCUS, focus. When you type this, automatically this command will come. In the conic, you type EQ1. Very simple. EQ1. This I'm just clicking it. EQ1. Now E and F, they are being taken as the focus now. Is it okay? Now when I am moving it, when I am moving this, you can see this focus also moving. Focus is also moving over here. Now this E and F, if you want to show it object properties, you can go and you can go for its you can ask it to show its value. Okay, and show the label also, show the label. Okay, then here again for this E also you can go to the object properties and show its name and value. You can show name and value, that is also okay. If we show name and value, then they will show both E and F. Okay, it is showing now. Okay, well, now foci is being shown now. Here also foci is being shown. Okay, now let us try to show this equation of the ellipse to the children. For that we are going for this text. I am clicking over here. Here I have to type x square by a square. Remember that a square is changing now, plus y square by b square, that is also changing over here. For that there is one idea called lattice formula. In the lattice formula, you have to take these roots and equation. You have to go for this a by b. But what is this a by b? What is the numerator now? It is x square. So type x. In the lattice formula, you go for this symbol. You can type this square, x square upon a square. Okay, a square, and for that a square, for that a is a variable here. They have to go to the objects and then click this a. Now this a to be squared, for again in the symbol, go to this basic and then square. Is it okay now? This b has to be deleted. Now you got x square by 49 now. Okay, then you want a space now. If you want a space, there is a space in this lattice formula. Plus, again in the lattice formula, go for a space. Then once again you have to go for a fraction in the lattice formula. What is the next fraction now? Y square by b square. For in that in place of the numerator, you type y. From the symbol, you have to go to this square, y square upon b square. From the object, go for b. This b has to be removed, I hope. Then in that b, you go for this symbol, then go for square. Okay, is equal to, if you want to have a space, if you want lattice formula, space, again equal. If you want a lattice formula, then space equal 1. You see, print okay. Now you see, you got fantastic now. That is x square by 49 plus y square by 16. That's the equation of the ellipse, which we are just seeing it on the screen now. Color, let us have a color now. Well, you see, this is the family of ellipse now. When you move this, it is going on changing. When you move this, it is also going on changing now. Okay. Now the child can get that x square by 64 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. At this particular spot, we can ask him what is the major axis, what is the minor axis, what is the focus, and what is the vertices, foci, everything you can ask. Now a child can find out both the types of ellipses here, where having a major axis along the x-axis, having a major axis on the y-axis, based on whether a square is greater than b square or b square is greater than a square. Now not only that, here another bigger advantage for the children is they can find out, you can hide these vertices. For example, you can hide this also. For example, you can hide this, you can hide this, you can hide this, and you can hide everything. Okay, then you can simply push a particular spot, you can put it and then ask them to find what is the focus and what is the vertex. Then after that you can ask them to what this is the foci, 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. They can calculate it and they can find out. It is actually, this is a very interesting one where with a single worksheet we are showing them all the types of ellipse and their vertices and their foci. Thank you friends.